Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw an oval shape in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we can see here many slides. Now we want to add or draw the oval shape. At first, go to the home menu, select the new slide option and create a blank slide. Now we go to the insert menu, select the shapes drop down option and we can see here many shape. Now I am select the oval shape, then draw the oval shape. Now we can see we draw an oval very easily. You can change the fill color or the outline color and add more style. Click the shape and go to the shape format menu. We can see here the shape fill. You can change this color, otherwise edit the shape outline. Now I am select the shape outline color. You can increase the width of this outline. Go back again the shape outline and increase the width. Otherwise you can add style. Click the style drop down menu and we can see here many style. You can add it any style. Now I am select this style. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.